teacher.
What's your name?
I'm Đoàn.
Thomas. Very good. Tell me, how old are you?
I'm 5.
5. And where are you from?
I'm from Nam.
Vietnam. That's good. Give me a high five. Yes. Are you ready to start?
Yes.
Very good. Let's go. Tell me, what animal do you see?
Here, monkey.
Monkey. What animal do you see there?
Here,
I
I see Okina.
Very good. What animal do you see?
I see giraffe.
Giraffe. Very nice. What animal do you see?
I see elephant.
An elephant. Okay. What animal do you see?
I see tiger.
Tiger. Very good. What about that animal?
I see hippo.
Hippo. Very nice. Let's move on. There are some more animals. What animal do you see here?
I see lion.
Very nice.
I see
Kangaroo.
kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Very good. What animal do you see?
I see zebra.
Zebra. Nice. Well, what about this animal?
I see camel.
Camel. What animal?
I see
Right. Rhino.
rhino.
Okay, and the last one, Thomas.
I see
And
ostrich.
ostrich. Very good. Okay, we're done with this. And now we come to the picture part, okay? We do very quickly, we do very quickly, we do very quickly. Yes? Yes. Okay, tell me please, where is a jigsaw? Jigsaw. No. No. Yes. You say
Little.
jigsaw. Okay, no problem. But move on. Where's a jewel?
Tool.
Very good. Where's a leaf? No. Leaf. No. You say
Knee.
leaf. Okay. What about a letter? A letter. No. Yes.
Letter.
Letter. What about a kick?
Kick.
Okay, and what is this one? King.
King.
Okay. Let's. Oh, Thomas, I'm here. Do not play with the microphone. Play a game with me. What about iguana?
Iguana.
Okay. What about ink?
Ink.
Okay, this is better. What about horse? Horse.
What?
Very good. What about hair?
Yeah.
Okay. Girl. Okay. And what is the last one?
Teacher.
Guitar. Yes. Thank you very much. Goodbye, Thomas.
Goodbye, teacher.